Imagine putting your money into work without lifting a finger and watching it grow over time. That is exactly what investing in stock can be for you. Before we go into details, what exactly is stock? How does it work? Is it safe to invest? And how do you even get started? If you have ever asked any of those questions, you are in the right place. In this video, I will explain what stock is, how to invest in the Nigerian stock market, what you stand to gain, and how to avoid common mistakes. Before then, I have a question for you. Have you ever had someone say, "I made money while I sleep," and you wondered if they were into fraud or forex trading? Relax, not everyone is doing fraud. Many of us are actually active investors in the stock market. That is, investing in real companies like GT Bank, MTN, Apple, Tesla, and a lot of other companies you already know and buys from every day. Stick with me, and by the end of this video, you will be ready to take your first step into smart investing. What is stock? A stock, also known as a share, represent a small piece of ownership in a company. Let's say that you have a friend who operates bakery. That your friend wants to raise money to open new branches in some major parts of Lagos. But instead of taking up loan from the bank, he decided to sell part of that business to you, either the friend or just anybody interested in the business. He then divided the company into 1 million equal parts called shares and sell them to investors like you, that is the friend, but not necessarily. If you buy 10,000 units of that bakery, you own 1% of that company. That is, you are now a shareholder in that company. You don't bake the bread, but you get to eat from the profit made from that bread. By virtue of your investment in that company, you are automatically entitled to all the benefits that the company gives or the owner of the company gets. As the bakery keeps growing, your profits grows alongside with it. Now let's look at a real company using MTN. Now let's take, for instance, you invested in MTN in 2021 when they made their public offer for every Nigerians to subscribe. A lot of people did that time, which I also did. And let's say you invested 50,000 naira in MTN shares. By mid 2024, that means you have over 80,000 naira of MTN. And also MTN pays you dividend along the way. That's how stocks work: growth plus passive income. How does the Nigerian stock market works, or how does the stock market work in general? Because the operations of the stock market are the same everywhere in the world, just that they operate in different time zones. The Nigerian stock market is organized under the Nigerian Exchange Limited, NGS. You must have heard of NGS before. It's where stocks of companies are bought and sold. The NGS has a benchmark called the NGS All Share Index. It tracks the overall performance of the stock market. It's like a thermometer. If the index is going up, stocks are generally rising. If it is going down, the market is cooling off. That means the market is coming down. Now here comes the big questions that everybody has been waiting for. How do I invest in stocks? Very simple. Even if you have never done it before, this video will show you practical steps how to start investing in stocks and where you are going to see. And we are going to do this in 4 simple steps. Number 1 is you have to open a brokerage account. Now, this is just like a normal bank account, but for buying shares only. And you don't need to go to bank or meet anybody before you can do this. Just with your smartphone, pick up any investment application like AfriInvest, Bamboo, or Niger Invest, and you just follow the instructions on the app. You are good. Fund your wallet. You don't need millions. With as little as 5,000 naira, you can start. Just transfer directly from your bank to the app wallet and you're set. Do your research. Start with companies you already know. Banks like Access Bank, telecoms like Airtel, or consumer goods companies like Nestle Nigeria and Abua Foods, Dangote, whatever company you already know. Do your research and you are good to go. Now, buy and hold. Don't expect quick riches. Buy and give it time. Wealth built with consistencies, not by speed. As simple as that, you are now an investor. What are the benefits of investing in stocks? Generally, there are 4 basic reasons why everybody invest. Number 1 reason, and the obvious reason, is because all of us need money. Number 2 is we all need investment to attain our financial goal. We all need investment to increase our wealth, to protect against unseen, unforeseen economic crisis like inflation or currency volatility, to generate more money or even earn passive income. That is money we don't or we did not work for. These are the 5 obvious reasons why we all need investment. So why should you bother investing in stocks at all? 5 reasons. Let me break it down. Number one reason is capital appreciation. Let's say you invested 100,000 naira worth of stocks, say in 2020 in the right companies. It will be worth 500,000 naira today, 500,000 naira or more today. Your money grows over time with investment in stocks. And number two is dividends. Dividend is the share of profit a company pays to its shareholders. Some companies share part of their profit with shareholders. That's cash paid to you on regular basis. Passive income, money you didn't work for, ownership and influence. Investing in stocks gives you ownership title in a company and you get to attend the company's annual general meeting, vote on decisions and receive updates. Protection against inflation. Unlike your savings account earning 5% annually as interest, many stocks beat inflation over time by giving you over 40 to 50% annual return. Now, here is the bigger question. Is it safe to invest in stocks? Well, the answer is yes, and at the same time, no. Stocks are regulated by the Securities and Exchange Commission, so it's legit and structured. You are not handing money to somebody to trade for you. You are buying real ownership in listed company. And what is a listed company? A listed company is a company that its shares are open to the general public to purchase because the company has satisfied some minimum level of requirement by the Nigerian Securities and Exchange Commission. But there is still risk. The risks are stock prices go up and down, so you must be patient enough to watch your stocks or your money grows gradually. Inefficiency in the management of a company can force a company to liquidate. Market panic can make people sell off their shares at a cheaper rate. That's selling below what the original value of that stock is. Let's say you bought a share at 50 naira, but out of fear, you are now selling at 30 or 45 naira. Those are the risks associated with the trading stocks. When it comes to investing in stocks, we advise not to invest any money you are not willing or ready to lose. So how do you stay safe while trading stocks? Do not invest based on hypes or social media. Learn to diversify. Do not put all your money into one stocks. Think long time. Stocks are like planting a tree, not microwaving noodles. Here are 5 smart tips to guide your investment. Here are 5 smart tips to guide your investment journey. Start with companies you understand. Do you bank with Zenith Bank? Start there. Invest monthly like a subscription. 5,000 naira every month is 60,000 naira a year. Use investment application. They make it easy to track and learn. Follow finance pages on YouTube, Twitter, or even blogs, etc. Avoid Ponzi schemes. You don't need to know everything before you start investing. Just begin and grow as you go. The Nigerian stock market is not just for the rich. It is for you, me, and every smart Nigerian who wants to build wealth slowly but surely. Remember that investing in stock is one of the most proven ways to grow your money. You can start small and keep doing that. Over time, you will build your portfolio. The best time to start investing, they say, was yesterday. The next best time is now. So take that bold step. Open an account. Buy your first stocks. Start your journey to financial freedom one share at a time. And if you are not sure on which stocks to pick, click the link in the bio, join our weekly stock recommendations, and get more personalized investment plans. And also, if you found this video helpful, do me a favor, hit the like button, subscribe for more finance sense videos, and drop me a comment. And finally, have you started investing already? If not, what's holding you back?